Alright guys, we are out here at Campers Inn, Ackworth, Georgia today, looking at this Hitch. Stick around, you don't want to miss this little guy. Guys, today we're out here at Campers Inn, Ackworth, Georgia, looking at this 16RD by Heartland. This is a 16RD Hitch by Heartland Recreational Vehicles. Cute little unit, made to go in places that not a lot of your regular stuff can go, and it's going to be easily towable by just about whatever you got. So starting up front, going to have the standard power tongue jack by Lippert, two 20-pound bottles, your connection for your batteries right there. Now these are Asdale sidewalls, which is becoming the industry standard, which at least it should become the industry standard. Some diamond plate plastic material here, rock chip guard, which is really nice. Looking at the numbers on this, we got a cargo carrying capacity of 890 pounds with a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,884 pounds. Definitely towable by most SUVs, definitely half tons. So let's look here. Magnetic catches on this storage door. Looking through, so we got a Freedom X 1200 by Xantrex. So I'll be interested to see what's hooked up to that. This grass mat material lining this giant pass-through storage. Very nice. And it's got a LED light strip all the way across. No battery hooked up, so we can't see. Back side of your water heater, city water connection, spray port, as well as your black and gray tank drains down there. A little bit of a fender across the tire there to protect from rocks and muds if you're off-road. These are, let's see what these tires are. These are 235/75 R16s, Rainier ST. So got a nice looking rim, a little bit of off-road tread. It's single axle. Furnace, fridge vents, satellite cable, and 30 amp hookup. Move around to the back side. Got a ladder, so it's got a walk-on roof, pre-wired for a backup camera. Spare tire mounted on the bumper, which is square tube bumper. Looks like incandescent lights. Another feature from most of these RVs these days that are becoming normal is a leash tie out there on the corner. On this side, we're going to have cable input for a TV sitting out on this side, power, and your freshwater fill. Looking at it again, you got two speakers, and the power awning covers the entire side of this little trailer, 16-foot trailer. Pretty sweet. Aluminum steps. Asdale, like we said. Magnetic catches, love that. And this over here is the Xantrex Solar MPPT charge controller that is already wired and running, so that means there's solar panel or panels on the roof. So very nice. Again, really nice storage area. Manual jacks, if we didn't mention that. Overall, a good looking little unit to tow behind just about anything you got to tow it with. So let's head inside, see what Mel's doing in there. Open the door up. Just first thing you're going to see when you open the door up is they got drawers underneath where the bed is. So that's really a pretty cool feature. And there's Mel.
Hi, yeah, these are great. These are really big drawers.
Yeah, And that's real. I mean, it's a good use of space. It's, you know,
easy
You
slide.
know, space that they, didn't waste. So your front bed up here, looks like a.
It's like a full.
Yeah,
it's like a full
maybe
bed.
A little bigger, I don't know.
Yeah, and you have storage over the top with these little elastic bands to keep your luggage in.
Very nice. Awesome. Windows for cross ventilation.
Right, so take a look at the floor. Like it has like this grass mat kind of floor. That's really cool. I haven't seen that before.
Texture to it.
Yeah. Gives you a little more traction. Might be harder to clean. I don't really know.
So right here to the left when you come in is your panel with all your buttons for lights and stuff. Here's check out the battery switch. It's a little pull out. Click.
Oh, how cool is that?
Turn the battery on.
Like the old timey choke days.
Yeah.
I see it's wired for WineGuard.
Oh, cool. For the internet. Yeah, you can pop that up there.
Mm-hmm. All right, so then you have the bathroom when you walk in. It's a nice solid door. And you have plenty of room in here. The toilet has good placement. And it has a really deep shower.
Poop in position. As Matt says. That's a big shower. For such a small RV, that bathroom is.
Right, and then you've got good storage space in here. Also, you have a shelf over the toilet.
Yeah.
Got space under the sink.
Space under there. Yeah. Very nice. All right.
Right, and then the kitchen here, you have a 2-burner gas top, and the cute little round sink. Good color choices. Large cabinets all the way around. This unit really has a lot of nice storage in it.
To be so small.
Yep. And it has this giant wardrobe cabinet here. This is great. You can really put some stuff in there. Cool. With some additional drawers that could be, your wardrobe or
whatever you need.
Cutlery or whatever. So then if you step on back, you've got the refrigerator here that's opposite the...
Yeah. Very nice. Gas, electric fridge.
Microwave.
Up above, it's the Dometic AC.
And then you've got, in the dinette area, you have 4 more accessible over-the-head storage bins.
Awesome.
And then the dinette makes into a bed. So you have...
So that makes into another large bed.
Right, and your sleeping areas are separated. And there's great windows back here.
And there's a lot of space here.
And there's space underneath the dinette there that you could put a bin.
Yeah.
So I mean, this is pretty amazing for such a small little area.
Yeah.
Wow, I really like this.
Yeah, this is a great little trailer to have, especially if you're just,
It has the privacy shades.
Yep.
And I really like that they put the black privacy shades in here, because then at night when you have your lights on, you're not as visible.
That's right. And that's what you got to remember is at nighttime, even with if your windows are tinted, people can see in your RV.
This is what a really cute unit, and they have it listed for $27,500.
$27,500, fit a 7. So yeah, this is the 16RD Hitch by Heartland with Asdale sidewalls. So check it out if you're looking for a smaller camper that doesn't weigh a whole lot, that's got a lot of space in it. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Take care of each other. Love each other.
Make every moment count.
See you next time, guys.